Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to our daily vlogs. So just finished working in beach bar. So I'm gonna go home for a couple of hours to enjoy some time with the family and then go back at 9 p.m. and work. So this is what we have right now. So by the way guys, you enjoy our last vlog? There's a lot of people everywhere. I don't even realize there's a big cruise ship that just stop in Arrecife and then go around here at PDC, so it's really nice. Even today, there's a lot of people, but in the beach bars, they're a bit quiet today. I don't know exactly what just happened, it's just so quiet. So, we are here now passing this Chinese restaurant. Well, by the way, it's 6 p.m., so the bars and restaurants are just starting up. And yeah, starting the night. Look at the sun at my back, you know. And a little bit cold at the moment, so just running now to go home because I got exactly 3 hours to get a rest, play with the baby, and having time of my life before I go back to work. So we are here at the Black Buffalo, the cantina on my side, and the Italiano. The three big restaurants I always work. So yeah, wow, there's a little bit of something too. It's early dinner for someone. And we are here at our favorite spot, Road 66 right there. See that? And these are payoff. This will pay you there. So did you see the beds, guys? They move a little bit because it's a high tide. I think they don't want to the ocean bring all the beds somewhere there in the middle. So they just put it in a little bit closer here in the Avenida. So right there, high tide. See, high tide. So guys, how you doing? Everything's cool? I hope you have a wonderful night. So today, like I said, it's very quiet. A little bit quiet in the beach bar today. But there's a lot of sangria and cocktails. Normally just beers, sandwiches and everything, but now there's more sangria and more cocktails. That means there's a lot of people from the north are in the island. So I think we are in about 80% full right now in Lanzarote. So it's good, it's a very good sign that everybody's coming here and enjoying life now. And it's like starting to get back to normal. So every time I pass here, I really enjoy looking this rustica restaurant. It's just like a what do you call this? Very interesting place to go. So maybe one day if we have a chance, I will go there to try their very big pizza. I hope they allow me to do, like filming inside the kitchen, so you will see what they're doing. But I don't think so. on, lights it up. So guys, like I said, there's plenty of people around, especially from the north side, because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying. They try to speak English to me. I know that. And we have a basic conversation, but when we're talking in the long run, I know some of so even me, if we're talking straight English and talking to the people, while talking straight up, and then I end up speaking Spanish. And the guy who's talking to me just said, "What?" So sorry about that. There's one right there. But anyway, we are here, the Centro Atlantico, and it's a lots of movement right now. The people are walking, enjoying life. Like I always say, we are enjoying life right here. A little bit of something, but it's too early to tell if busy or not, because it's 6 in the evening, so everybody just preparing at the moment. Like Rocas Blanca in my front right now. So guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's a very big help, ladies and gentlemen. We've been about 3,600 subscribers, so yes. Thank you to all the support, and keep on supporting the channel. And I want to do like a different thing, but yeah, I'm planning to do so. But at the moment, this is all I can do right now, because I don't know if I work all day and then they give me a shift. It's very different, very difficult to have a fixed day. But don't you worry, guys. We're gonna try some food review, restaurant review as well. So stay tuned for that. But for now, this is what we got. Daily updates every single day. Oh, there's a lot of birds. Where'd they go? Just flying around. How could they see it? Right there. Back in the day when I was young, back home in the Philippines, if you see, there's a lot of birds in the oh. So guys, back in the day when I was young, I remember my uncle and my abuelo, it's my granddad, telling me there's a lot of birds in the sky. It's gonna rain, so yeah, there's a possibility of rain, but I hope when I got home first before the rain. So we are here at this bar, Ragdili. Very exciting there. There's a lot of people. Oh. So temperature today is 19 degrees. It's a little bit chill for me. Look at me, I do have a shorts and this chaleco thing, and yeah, a little bit cold. So we are here at the pharmacy. That's why I know what the temperature is, because I always look at it in the pharmacy. I think it's accurate, but yeah. Anyway, this lovely, lovely bungalow, Velasquez. If you've been there, comment down below. And this is my dream car. I hope I have one. You see my dream car? By the way, the next scene that you see is from this side, the Velasquez bungalows. It's really nice and comfy, I think. You know, it's really, I always look at this every time I pass here. And I think it's a really nice place to hang out. And Trattoria restaurant, oh, they're getting starting now, you know, reservation, people are waiting to their tables. Oh, no, it's really nice out here. And we are here at this lovely scene. As you can see, the temperature is dropping like 19 degrees, and now it's getting dark. Dark. Because of the evening, and the camera is struggling to have autofocus, so it's getting nearly there. I'll show you this one. Have a look at this thing. So guys, we just passed the Golden Corner and it's a Diamond Bar. You know, there's a plenty of tables, so not too bad. And the cafe is right there. And my favorite spot of the €1 coffee is empty. You know, it's kind of weird. It's empty. Mostly people stay there for have a little bit of coffee there, enjoying, you know, some views from the bus when people go down. It's alright. So we are here at this Lanzarote right there, and this big, I don't know what you're gonna call this one. It's like a big lounge, you know. You can rent it and you do like a big party, and I don't know really. It's just that there's a lot of chandelier inside, and I think it's gonna be a big place to do some events like a wedding or conference, something like that. So can't wait for it. And there's some restaurant as well, so let's wait for it. And there's some menu as well here. And the Terraza Playa, that we've been there a couple of times. Second time in the vlog that we went there. I don't know, remember which one is it. So we are here in this lovely place that's always busy, even it's very quiet for someone else, but this one is really busy. So yeah, the Eastern Sunshine, the upper deck, and somewhere like that. I'll show it to you guys. So guys, we are here at my house, the other side actually. So guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I really appreciate it, and thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I think we'll see you guys tomorrow, or see you the next vlog. Bye.